Teddy, you're oh, somebody's getting good ear scratchings.
I'd be really mad if I was like 5 and I
She's trying to figure out the boogie of the board. Got a guy in the center console really close inshore here. See if I can, yeah, look how close he is. It could easily swim out to that boat. We have seen some mullet jumping, and we were seeing pelicans dive too, so there's definitely some fish running up and down the beach here. I don't know what they are. Might be kingfish, might be reds. There's my family in the water. It's a deceptively rough day today. It looks calm, and then you get out there in those breakers and they're pretty hefty, very strong. They're having fun though. You're just basically watching them get wrecked by these waves on a regular basis. It's a lot rougher out there than it looks. Well done, except for I didn't do anything.
subscribe.
We're just enjoying another beautiful day here on the beach. The kids and Brian are out in the water. I'm relaxing a little bit, and we're going to head out to lunch pretty soon. Some of the best pizza in the area. So I'll give you guys a little peek of that too when we go to eat. It's called the mellow mushroom. It's delicious and very groovy. Sutton, what restaurant are we at?
We're in Mellow Mushroom, which is like my second favorite place on earth.
What do you like about this place?
I just like the vibe of it.
Culture. The aesthetic.
The aesthetic?
Yes. The fact that it looks like my Pinterest feed.
Do you like the food?
A lot. It's really good.
Yes.
And you're not going to get a video without me saying bussin', so the food here is bussin'.
What about you, Mr. Redface?
It's good. Subscribe.
It starts there.
This place does have a cool vibe. It's a funny view of Brian kayaking through the grass with his fly rod in front of him, looking for redfish, which are honestly all around us, but neither of us are particularly skilled at doing this. He's got a lot more experience catching them than I do, but it's awful hard when it's all by yourself, you know? He looks cute though. And we're learning, and it's fun, and it's a beautiful night. Well, we didn't catch any fish, but look at this sunset. It's that classic, you know, go fishing, don't catch any fish, post some scenery. With scenery like this, you almost can't help it. Just look at that. Really beautiful. There's Brian. I mean, honestly, this is just so beautiful. That's going to do it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys my raccoon look. Obviously, I've been wearing sunglasses a lot and getting a lot of sun, so I look kind of ridiculous. But I've had a great day today. It's just awesome to spend time with the whole family, and we're having a wonderful time here in St. Augustine and the surrounding area. It's beautiful and relaxing, and we're having fun doing things together, and that's really what counts the most. So thank you guys for joining us on our journey. Really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please take a second and subscribe to our channel if you'd like, and we will catch you later.
Subscribe. Oh.